Intertools is the first DIY value comparison site. Compare price, service and availability from leading UK retailers.
As always, to view or purchase any products coming up in today's video, please click the links in the description below. Let's get started. The Professional Fireball 1645S is a powerful diesel heater designed to heat up large areas. This professional quality heater is packed full of features to ensure you get the best quality machine for your money. The stainless steel combustion chamber and casing eliminates rusting and heavy duty construction, means it's reliable and for long term use. Ideal for heating factories, warehouses, garages and workshops. The large 42 litre fuel tank keeps the heat flowing for hours. It uses approximately 4.18 litres of fuel consumption an hour. The new SIP range have a unique design and are among the most reliable heaters on the market. The Danfoss fuel pump will ensure reliability when you need it most. This product also benefits from an external fuel filter, so you can instantly see if your filter is ready for a change. The optional external heat thermostat, which can be placed up to 10 meters away from the heater, which allows you to have full control of the heating. SIP Industrial Products started back in 1968, based in two small industrial units in Leicester. Today, SIP continues to go through strength to strength, launching over 100 new products a year and supplying distributors across the UK. The following specifications include the following: a heating area of 1,194 meters cubed or 42,166 cubed feet. It comes with a stainless steel burner and chamber. The fuel type is diesel or paraffin. It has a heat output of 167,850 BTU or 44.2 kilowatts. It was made in Italy. The power cable is 1 meter long. The product number is 09047. The thermostat control is optional. It has a voltage of 230 with it weighing 39 kg, and finally it has 2 wheels. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.